Tally School. Learn Tally online easily at Tally School. Hi, Rishit Shah from Tally School, and in this video I'm going to explain you balance sheet and profit and loss in Tally. First of all, I have not written any post for this video because this doesn't require writing any post. Just watch the video and learn what I'm trying to say and understand that. So balance sheet and profit and loss account are automatically prepared in Tally when you pass entries. So you don't have to prepare balance sheet and profit and loss account on your own. It gets prepared after you create entries. So in previous videos I've explained you many things like purchase and sales, creating ledgers, creating company, debit notes, credit notes, memorandum vouchers, if you have watched all the videos. So I've created several entries in that videos, and the balance sheet and profit and loss automatically got prepared. So how the balance sheet looks like in Tally and how you can understand it so you can get full knowledge of Tally. So first of all, we will look at the balance sheet, which is gateway of Tally. From gateway of Tally you have to go to balance sheet under the reports option. So go to balance sheet and press enter, and as you can see the balance sheet is here. Here are the liabilities and here are the assets. So press Alt plus F1 or just click here for a detailed view so you'll understand what these all actually means. So Alt plus F1, and as you can see these are the balance sheet items, every different item. So capital account is the main account in the balance sheet. When you put in the capital in your business, it is capital account. So it comes on the liability side. Then there is current liabilities, which include several different current liabilities. In this video we have two duties and taxes and sundry creditors. So it can also include loans, which are here, that is a liability. So current liabilities include duties and taxes, which means we have to pay duties and taxes to the government. But as it is in the negative sign, we have to get a refund from the government, so it is negative sign. Sundry creditors, which means we have to pay the people from whom we have purchased things, so they are called sundry creditors. So this is the balance sheet liabilities side. Now if we come down, there is a profit and loss account, which is 12,182. That means we made a profit of 12,182 and 7 paise. It's not 7 paise, it's actually 0.07 paise. So we have made a profit of almost 12,000 rupees in this period. So this is how the balance sheet looks like in Tally. You just normally do not have to do anything. You just come back here after passing entries and check the total figures, and if you find anything suspicious you can simply go in there. Like I am finding something suspicious in duties and taxes, so I'll come here and press enter. Then I see there is a service tax debit balance. Okay, so if I go in there once again by pressing enter, I'll see the actual month-wise transactions. So there is a transaction in the April month, so I'll select that and press enter once again, and then I'll come to service tax ledgers, in which I can see all the vouchers. So there is only one voucher for stockbroker. I can go in there by pressing enter and I will see the total entry, and I can easily check out what is being suspicious. There is nothing suspicious here, so I'll go back by pressing escape and come back to the balance sheet. So this is how Tally is very useful. You can directly go from anywhere to the root entry just by pressing enter, and you will go to the main thing which provides the last figure in the balance sheet. You can do this for every thing here. You can go for sundry creditor. You can check there are two sundry creditors, that is your stockbroker and Rohan. You can go in Rohan and you can go in and select the month, and you can see the 3 entries. 2 are purchase and 1 is debit note. So this is how drilling down in Tally works. It is very helpful for removing your suspicious doubts regarding the accounts, and if you have any problem in your accounts, you can just easily go in from anywhere. You can go in from balance sheet, you can go in from profit and loss account, you can go in from any report. You can directly go down to that particular entry. So this is how it helps in Tally. So coming back to the balance sheet once again, here are the fixed assets, which is furniture of 2 lakh rupees. Current assets will include closing stock, sundry debtors, and cash of 95,000. Current assets also include bank accounts if we have any. It also includes loans given to people. This here is loans taken from people, and these are loans given to people. So this is the balance sheet in Tally. As you add more and more items, you will see different items being displayed here. One more thing, in certain big companies to which accounting standards apply, they have to prepare their balance sheets as per Schedule 6. So you can just click here and Tally will automatically transform your balance sheet into Schedule 6. So click here, and here is the Schedule 6. Again, this is for companies to which the accounting standards apply. So not majority of businesses are not in the purview of accounting standards, so they do not have to prepare balance sheets like this, and they require share capital. So here it is, everything in vertical format, which is Schedule 6 format. So you can see here, if you don't understand this, just go ahead and ignore this, but you can see total and total here. This is the asset side, you can see asset, and this up here is equity and liabilities. So you do not have to again create the vertical, that is Schedule 6 balance sheet. Tally will automatically create it for you. So if we come back by pressing escape, this was the balance sheet, and as you add more and more items, you will see different items being displayed here. You can easily print the balance sheet, or export the balance sheet, or email the balance sheet, or upload the balance sheet. So you can do this from all these functions are here. So this was the balance sheet in all. Now let's go to the profit and loss account and see how it looks like in Tally. So we can go to profit and loss account from here directly instead of going from gateway of Tally. So let's go in there from here. So this is the profit and loss account. It is in a condensed form. So press Alt plus F1 for detailed view. So as you can see, the first thing is opening stock. That is, what opening stock do you have in your business? So we have accessories, we have mobile, and we have S. That is stocks of Reliance. Okay. So all the opening stock will display here. If you know a little bit of accounting, this is how actually the profit and loss account is prepared. We have then purchase account, in which different purchases are recorded. So we have domestic purchases. Again, we can drill down. So if we find anything suspicious in, say, domestic purchases, we can go and press enter on domestic purchases. Then we can see the month April have certain transactions, so we can go on April and press enter, and we can see 3 transactions of Rohan for domestic purchases. Again, we can go to the particular transaction, like say debit note, and we can see how much item there is in the debit note. So here it is, and we can actually alter this debit note also if we want to. So this is how it actually works in Tally. The drilling down is very good and excellent feature in Tally. So let's come back to the profit and loss account, and there are share purchases, then there are direct expenses, that is share brokerage, STT, service tax, and other charges. In your business, whatever the direct expenses are, you can list down here and it will show up here. Then On the credit side, we have sales accounts. So sales accounts, that is domestic sales and share sales, just like domestic purchases and share purchases. Then direct incomes, that is intraday profit and loss. I've explained this share sales and share purchases, everything in stock market entries videos, which are quite popular, so you can watch them if you want it. I've also created different separate videos for intraday entries in stock market. I've linked down that below in the description if you want to see it. So intraday profit and loss and closing stock, which the stock we have on hand for the period after the completion of certain year or certain months. So we have opening stock of accessories in 31,000 and we have closing stock is 36,000. That means we have sold certain items and we have also purchased certain items, so that includes the closing stock. So mobiles and as, so after everything here, this figure minus this 3, the gross profit comes up, that is 17,182 rupees. So the gross profit is calculated automatically also, which is carried here in down, and then indirect expenses come up here like office expenses, and then the net profit will come. This net profit, as I said earlier, is transferred to the balance sheet and added to the capital account if we want to. If you do not want, it will just show up in the balance sheet. So this is how profit and loss account works in Tally. It is same as normal profit and loss account and balance sheets, but it is very easy and very simple, and the best thing is you don't have to create profit and loss account and balance sheet because Tally automatically creates it for you. Again, like balance sheet, you can create schedule 6 profit and loss account easily just by clicking here. Oops, sorry, I pressed escape by mistake. So schedule 6, and you can see everything as per schedule 6 is put up in front of you. If you don't understand these terms, don't worry, you can easily create it. So this was profit and loss account schedule 6. You can also same way print, export, email or upload the profit and loss account. So this is how you create profit and loss account in Tally. In fact, you don't have to create, this is how Tally will create profit and loss account for you. So this was a balance sheet and profit and loss account in Tally. And if you have any doubts, a single small silly doubt, please comment below. If you are watching this on YouTube, comment below on YouTube. If you are watching this on Tally School, comment below on Tally School, and I'll be more than happy to help you. You ask, I answer, that is how you learn. So if you have any doubt regarding this video, comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help you. So this was balance sheet and profit and loss account in Tally. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please share this video on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, whatever, everywhere. Just share this video. Thank you for watching. Rishad Shah from Tally School. Thank you.